brightness on an aggravated battery.
Hi, and thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings. Been a little while since I did an outdoor video, so I figured since it was nice and sunny today, I'd park this out front and show you the distant front view, because I know everybody wants to see those fancy headlights flashing. As you can see in this one, we've got the headlights and the fog lights flashing in an X pattern using our Wicked Warnings auto flasher. Let me pull it inside and give you a closer look. I just wanted to show you what it looks like from kind of a distance away in the direct daylight that we have outside right now. So what are we looking at here anyways? What we've got in the top grille of this truck is our new Razor in an amber and white, synchronized together to fire amber and white together on one of our nicer patterns with a variable speed. We've also got our Wicked Warnings auto flasher synchronized, 2 units, one on the fog lights, one on the headlight C-rings, as well as another one on the mirror. We have our mirror mod kit powered by our new auto flasher on the mirror white spotlights, and as well as the C-rings and the fog lights. Nestled into the side of the fog light pocket in a very popular spot, we have our white TIR3 synchronized with the rear TIR3s we put on the side edge of the tail light to match, for a total of 4 white TIR3 synchronized to flash simultaneously on this particular build. The primary focus of the white TIR3 in the front fog light pocket and the rear bezel is side warning, and as you can see here, it does a very good job of producing that. We also have the mirror mod flashing, and in the badges you can see the reflection of our Thin-X LIN series in amber and white. Here you can catch a little bit of a glimpse of that rear TIR3 in white on the taillight side bezel, as well as our Thin-X in the badge. A little clear side shot of that Thin-X in an alternating amber and white pattern right in the badge. That is our Thin-X LIN series in amber clear. Around the back of this truck, the first thing that you'll notice is that OEM cargo light that is still fully functional despite the fact that it has our auto flasher installed. As you can see here, we have our auto flasher installed on the OEM LED reverse lights as well as the OEM LED cargo light. Neither of those lights are going to be affected when we're not in emergency mode, but when you flip the switch, the auto flasher takes over, and as you can see, we have a nice X pattern with all 4 OEM white LEDs. Now we've supplemented that with a pair of our 12-inch Thin-X strips mounted right there underneath the tailgate. And let me show you the coolest thing about this build that I forgot to mention earlier. Did anyone say flood mode? Every light we did on this vehicle has the flood switch. We've got the Thin-X's under the gate, we've got the OEM reverse, the OEM cargo, we've got the Thin-X's in the badges. As you can see here, we've got all 4 of our side fire TIR3s. Every light we did, including the C-rings, the fog lights, and the OEM mirror lights, every light on one switch floods white. Talk about perimeter lighting. This was by customer's request, and it looks amazing. Let me show you how the rear flood lights up our shop. I'm gonna do this live. Walk over, turn off the shop lights. We've got just the emergency mode on now. Turn off the emergency mode, turn on the flood. As you can see, plenty of light to light the entire shop. Really not bad for factory lighting and only the Thin-X strips going in there. Back to the emergency mode. I wouldn't leave you hanging without showing you the front flood, so let me do that. That is pretty sick. You've got your mirrors, your C-rings, your fogs, your T3s, your razors, your Thin-X strips, your original cargo lights, your original reverse lights, all on flood. Let me show you what it looks like against the garage door. So that's front flood, full on. I'm telling you, it's about as bright as some cars' headlights. No issue at all. We've got the fog lights, the C-rings, the razors. Everything's good to go. So this is a very unique look on this particular truck. As you can see, we'll pan this way. Very cool that it's all flooded out like that. I like it a lot. Never mind the wicked Jeep getting a little upgrade back there. This all ran off the factory auxiliary switches. Everything's controlled. Be sure to check the description in the video for links to each individual product, as well as a link to buy this entire kit as one package. And also be sure to watch all the individual product videos to get a better understanding of how each individual product works. Once again, this is George at Wicked Warnings. I thank you for watching, your #1 source for construction, safety, emergency, strobe lighting, and equipment here in Chicago, Illinois. Give us an email, info@wickedwarnings.com. Drop by our shop or give us a ring, and we'll definitely get you taken care of. Thanks again for watching.